Good morning, mate. Day before Christmas, 2023. Gonna get these two saws out in the wood the other day. I'm hoping anyway. Gonna get the car and stuff. The Farmac F380. And we got this the Neo-tec NS 872. So it's a kind of a NS 831, I think. Yeah. And I've got the NS 380 cylinder on top yesterday with a Sportsman port, and this one here's got the hardwood Hunter port. So I've got two brand new chains. I've got to join them up, just cam them up. They're semi-chiseled, but they're brand new, and we'll see. That way there'll be a fair test for these two, and see which port actually does better or which saw does better. It should perform just as well as each other, but I don't know. Will the hardwood Hunter perform better than the Sportsman? The Sportsman, I've done 3 heat cycles on it already, so I'll do a couple more in the wood yard. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see how they go against each other. I'll get this done. Alright, guys. I got talking to a guy on YouTube the other day, through messages and stuff, and he was saying that some guys can't do Facebook. I understand they're not joined up. So here's the deal. You leave a message on my YouTube channel saying what you want, what saw, home light, pulling, skill, it's all brand name skill, solo, Husqvarna, still, what do you want? So you're still not skill, not still. You look them up, they're one of the biggest sources there was. But yeah, just write a comment what you want, and I'll compile all the comments for the giveaway on Christmas Day tomorrow, and I'll let Neo-tec know what you guys want to know, what you want Neo-tec to make next. So just do that. If you want to enter. I'll do $50 postage cost. I'll add it to anywhere in Australia. I will post overseas, but you have to pay for the extra cash for that. But yeah, guys, you want them in the saw. It's awesome saw. You send the power. It produces. I got plenty of saws. I don't need more saws. Even my wife says that. But if you want to add this, just leave a comment and subscribe, and we'll make this work. I want this Christmas to be a good Christmas and a happy Christmas. Alright, guys, we'll go to the wood yard to get this done. Okay, guys, last video for the Farmac. If you want to win the store, obviously if you can't get to Facebook, that's fine. Just leave a comment at the bottom of this video and tell me what you want to see Neo-tec make next. It could be whatever saw you want. Me personally, I like seeing Neo-tec do performance parts, aftermarket mufflers, pop-up pistons, bigger dogs, things you can bolt onto our saw to make it go better. People like playing around in toys, but better tools, just things that are better, so you pimp our chainsaw. Anyway, I'll warm up the orange girl, so that's why I put the cylinder piston in the other day. I apologise for the cars talking now. But warm her up and I'll try her out, but this girl already goes well. I don't know if this goes just as well. I don't think it will. Combustion chamber's different that to this one. This one's small. Alright, we'll get this done. Onto performance parts. Be interesting. Also, I'd like to have a shout out to Wonga. Without the help of Wonga, I couldn't do this. So, they've got a deal at the moment. Chainsaw Madness is a discount code. You go to his website, all the information down the bottom. You get 10% off all his gear till the 15th of January. So, not long, guys, but you still buy cheap stuff. But these are brand new chains from Wonga bar, Neo-tec bar, but the wind's the same, so we'll see how we go. Warm her up, warm her up, warm her up. I love the dogs, look at that. Holds the bar off the ground like that, excellent. No one touching the ground. You gotta find that perfectly level spot, otherwise it hits the dirt. And if the idle's not right, you would drag your chain through the dirt and break it. Right, on for go, guys. So remember, mate, if you want to win the Farmac, all I want is your opinion. What saw or what do you want Neo-tec to make next? It's not a yes or no, it's an opinion. And everyone has the right to have an opinion, so what saw do you think you want next? So it could be a John Serrata, it could be anything really. Anyway, I'm going to start both saws up, and I think I've got the orange one tuned in now, and we'll just cut along and do one cut at a time. Let's see how she goes. No, I'll shut up, I'll stop talking. I think it's one. A bit better. Well, hardwood, he's cleaned up quite a bit of the yard. Been busy, the owner, burying horses and stuff. Just before Christmas, a horse dies. A colic. Blow your horses. 3 horsepower. That one's warmed up, this one's not. bit more water. That's fun. I think the Farmax got a little bit more torque, I think. It feels like it anyway. I forgot the loppy tires. That's still over here. Go back to one behind the tires. Oh, it stinks a lot. It's grass, it stinks of branch. What's this? Right. There we go. This is for Yanks, or guys up northern hemisphere. These trees, these logs here, they're pine. We don't use them in Australia. We don't burn them. There's too much sooty and smoke. But I think they're radiated pine of some type. I'll show you the bark. They're important. But I'm allowed to hack at these and cut them up. But anyway, this video more than anything is about that one there is Sportsman Port. It's a sportsman, and that was a hardwood hunting port. So a bit more towing numbers than that one. But the Sportsman has a more modified muffler and stuff like that, so it's just interesting. This sort of warm back up. Over to the hardwood now. Right, I've got a good demonstration of green pine, no hardwood, green hardwood. Starting to rain pretty heavy now. Guys, I want your opinion. What do you want Neo-tec to do next? Interesting. I'll pass the information on. I hope they listen. They're a business, so they have to make money. So yeah, just have an idea of what you want. We're still warming up. Stop button. Right, next one. Stop here. Sweet, long up the chains. Go to this website, have a check it out, and say Kevin to you. 10% off Chainsaw Madness. That's the passcode for discount. So yeah, if you want to win this thing, farm mate, what's your opinion? You're allowed to have an opinion. everyone should have an opinion. Some like Still, some like Husband. I love Solo. That's the Farmac, that's the one. You'll win that. It's just a power head, no bar. Yeah, I'll post it at $50 Australia. Cash wise, if you want post overseas, I will do that. But you have to add extra cash to it. Work that out. Alright, it'll be a fair what do you call it? A fair value. I'll pull it out of the hat. I'll do it on Christmas Day, about this same time tomorrow. So 24 hours to put your name down. 24 hours, guys. That's not much time. Alright, guys. Over and out. Thanks for watching, and Happy New Year.